When it comes to foldable phones, Samsung has always been one of the finest, and the Z Fold 4 isn't just an outstanding folding phone, it's also one of the best smartphones on the market right now. But there's always something newer and better in the works, so it's time to look at its likely successors, the Galaxy Z Fold 5. The next generation flagship foldable is still months away from its introduction, but there are plenty of speculations flying around about what to anticipate. I'll tell you all we know about the Galaxy Z Fold 5 in this video. Now that we know that folding phones are the new high-end gadgets and are one area where Samsung has an advantage over its opponent, a Z Fold 5 is all but guaranteed and should make its final official debut later this year. It will be some time until the new Fold is released, but there have been a few reports about what Samsung wants to include in the update. First and foremost, we examine the leak-proof design in partnership with Clever. Prix has a design that is quite similar to the previous generation. A similar form can be seen in Ice Universe's first glimpse at a probable protective cover for the phone. Ice Universe also claims that the Z Fold 5 will retain the same X8 water-resistant rating as the Fold 4. That signifies a high degree of waterproofing but no formal dust protection. Backing up the assertion from both the Korean side and the Ice Universe that Samsung is going to a water drop-like hinge design that will finally let the foldable to seal completely shut. In terms of display, the phone will have a comparable size to the previous generation, with 6.2-inch and 7.6-inch screen sizes, according to Ice Universe. In a long list of leaked specifications, iGalaxy mentions that the display will have a 120Hz refresh rate, which is previously predicted, but he also mentions that they will be brighter than before and that the exterior display will be covered by Gorilla Glass Vector's 2 protective layer. The phone will be built with the same bespoke version of the Snapdragon 8 and 2 CPU featured in the Galaxy S23 range, which means it will not include the improved 8 Plus Gen 2. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.